Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm from Wisdom Online Academy. Today, our topic is economics. What is economics? Economics is the scarcity of resources and unlimited wants. Consumer has to face the problems of multiplicity of wants and limited income. Every consumer to maximize his satisfaction in the presence of income constraint. We have two types of economics: positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics deals with the facts and tools of economics theories and principles in theoretical framework. It cannot be changed but can explain. While the normative economics, what ought to be, what is the revenue of government and how we can change the policy, which can change like monetary policy and public finance, etc. So, the summation of positive and normative economics is called economic theory. The economic theory further classified into two parts: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Inshallah, in next video we will explain the microeconomics and macroeconomics. Keep watching. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe our channel.